Hello everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites. On this channel, I create tutorials for website owners and beginner developers, and I also fix your issues by requests. Feel free to contact me by comments or by email in the description under this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can change the owner email for Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Okay, so to change email owner for Shopify website, you should go to your Shopify admin. After click to settings and find here users. Here it is, users and permissions. Click it. And after that, there should be store owner. Okay, here is store owner and it's me. Click on it. And there is all your details for store owner, and there is some personal data, and there is view account settings. Click on it. Okay, click again to login, and there is all my emails. Here is the email, my private email. Don't use it, don't contact me by it, and click button update. Click update button and click re-authenticate, and it will change your email as owner. Let's click it. It will move to select another email which you can connect, and that's it. Don't forget to click save, and your Shopify will be with new email for owner. Hope this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to leave me some donations with the link under this video. Also check my other affiliate links, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day.